Not sure if you can see that. Right about there. You see that outdoor light that's on? The sensor is out of it and it's up about 40 feet. I'm going to share with you how to fix that without having to climb 1 foot onto a ladder. Hey guys and gals, it's Mr. Know-It-All here with videos that make you smarter for everyone that you watch. Today we are talking about the light that did not go out. These little switches right here are awesome and they're so easy to hook up. You can put them on anything. Julio, tell everybody where they're all located.
Busca en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio Cesar Chavez Rodriguez Clint Eastwood. He loves that name and that's what he's getting. Right there, installed. Now if I wanted to put another outlet in there, which I don't, I would change the location of it, but right now it's perfect and they're so simple to hook up. So you can put them anywhere, any light you have. Now watch this. I'm going to cover it up and then we'll go up to the light. You can see the light is out right now. So we'll cover it up. And it comes on, and now I'm going to take it off. And it takes about 7 or 8 seconds to turn off. There you go. Again, these will go anywhere. You want something to turn on at night and turn off during the day. They're very easy to hook up. The red wire is the wire that will go to the black wire coming out of your light. So any fixture, light fixture, or whatever it is you want to turn on, this goes to the black, and then you just hook up. The instructions are really easy and very simple. Black to black, white to white, and it's good to go.